Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of crystal clear turquoise waters, pristine white sandy beaches, and unparalleled luxury, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the tropical haven of the Maldives to explore the top 7 amazing places that will leave you breathless. From secluded islands to vibrant coral reefs, this Indian Ocean gem has it all. So, buckle up as we take you on a virtual journey to the Maldives. Number 7. Mafushi. Our adventure begins on the charming island of Mafushi. Unlike the exclusive resorts, Mafushi offers a more authentic Maldivian experience. Immerse yourself in the local culture, interact with friendly locals, and savor traditional Maldivian cuisine. You'll get a taste of island life, away from the touristy crowds, making Mafushi a perfect blend of authenticity and tranquility. Number 6. Hanafaru Bay. Next up, we're heading to Hanafaru Bay, a marine wonderland where nature takes center stage. Famous for its breathtaking underwater ballet, Hanafaru Bay is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. During the southwest monsoon, plankton blooms attract a spectacular congregation of manta rays and whale sharks, creating a mesmerizing dance of these gentle giants. It's a bucket list experience for any nature enthusiast. Number 5. Vadhu Island. Prepare to be enchanted as we set foot on Vadhu Island, home to the mesmerizing sea of stars. After sunset, the bioluminescent phytoplankton light up the shoreline, creating a surreal spectacle. Imagine walking on a beach that glows beneath your every step. Vadhu Island offers a magical and romantic experience that is truly out of this world. Number 4. Digura. For those seeking endless stretches of pristine beaches, Digura is your paradise. This local island boasts some of the longest beaches in the Maldives. Immerse yourself in the serene beauty, take long walks along the shore, and let the calming sound of the waves be your soundtrack. Digura is the perfect escape for those looking to unwind and rejuvenate. Number 3. Fesdu Island. Now, let's elevate our Maldivian experience to the lap of luxury on Fesdu Island. Known for its extravagant overwater bungalows, this island is a haven for those wanting the ultimate pampering. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle lapping of the waves, stepping directly into the turquoise lagoon from your private deck, and basking in unparalleled luxury surrounded by the beauty of the Indian Ocean. Number 2. Ba Atoll. Heading to Ba Atoll, another UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, we find an ecosystem teeming with marine life and vibrant coral reefs. Explore the underwater wonders through snorkeling or diving, and witness the rich biodiversity of this protected area. Ba Atoll is a haven for marine enthusiasts, offering a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. Number 1. Veligandu Island. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our number 1 pick, Veligandu Island. This private island resort epitomizes luxury, exclusivity, and natural beauty. With its stunning overwater villas, pristine beaches, and top-notch amenities, Veligandu Island is the epitome of paradise. Indulge in world-class dining, relax in your private pool, and witness breathtaking sunsets, all in the lap of luxury. There you have it, our top 7 amazing places to visit in the Maldives. Whether you're seeking cultural immersion, marine wonders, or luxury escapes, the Maldives offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your favorite Maldivian moments in the comments below.